Hey, I'm Adells. In this video, I want to share something that became a small but important part of my daily routine, using a manual pumping device. At first, I had no idea what to expect. It felt a little awkward, and I didn't know if I was doing it right. But with time, I found a rhythm that worked, and now I want to pass that along to you. We'll go step by step, starting with how to prepare calmly without rushing. I'll show you how setting the right mood and taking a few deep breaths can really change the whole experience. You'll see how to position everything properly, how to stay relaxed, and how to listen to your body while using the device. It's not about doing it perfectly, it's about what feels gentle and effective for you. When setting up the device, make sure everything's clean and dry, and that the parts are fully connected. Even small gaps can affect how well it works. Take your time with positioning, no need to rush. A good, centered fit makes the whole process more efficient and way more comfortable. It also helped me to start with slower, gentler motions. There's no need to go hard right away. Being gentle actually made everything more effective in the long run. And while it might take a little while to get used to, staying calm and breathing through it really makes a difference. Hydration helped too. A glass of water nearby and a little snack afterward became part of my routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.